What's up, everyone?
What's up, everyone?
We're back. We took some break from taking videos and now we're finally back. Today we're going to this place called Wilcox Playa, which is about an hour and a half or maybe 2 hours from Tucson. It's basically a dry lake. We just wanted to go there and get some drone footage. Hopefully we can get some cool footage. So we've actually made an attempt to go there before when we first moved here, but that time the ground was a little wet, so we almost got stuck, so we turned around. So this season we haven't gotten that much rain in Arizona, so hopefully we can drive there this time. Let's see. This is the quick footage of last time we were there. Yeah, we weren't about to be Burning Man 2023, so we left. Holy shit! This video was taken at the end of September. The temperature was starting to cool down here in southern Arizona. It was a beautiful day. This rocky area is called Texas Canyon, located between Benson and Wilcox, Arizona. I personally don't like driving on I-10, but this area is an exception. And soon we started seeing the Playa in distance. It looks very windy. I hope we can fly the drone. We're just stopping by a town of Wilcox to grab some lunch before we head down to Playa. We found this cute looking barbecue place, so we're gonna check it out. Yep, that's a train car attached to the restaurant. So inside it actually looks like a train as well. Oh, this place is cool. Is this the coolest thing ever? Again. So I guess this is a convertible coupe group doing a little cruise session in Wilcox, I guess. Probably stop by to have lunch as well. We really can't be sleeping on the small towns of Arizona. Each town has its own character. That's one of the reasons why we like living in Arizona. Alright, now that our stomach is full, we are ready to go to the playa. We pretty much drove around the entire playa looking for an entrance, since we thought there were multiple entrances, but it turned out there wasn't. So we just decided to follow Google. It still was a bit of a struggle to find a legit entrance. So last time we came up to here, and then this area was kind of muddy, mushy, and we stopped. We turned around. Let's see how it looks this time. And now we are airing down the tires and ready to go. How about this for the Jeep commercial? This place truly is a videographer's heaven. So I believe. I'm not a videographer, so I don't know. How cinematic. This place is absolutely beautiful. It has a true American West feel to it. I've seen some YouTube videos, people camping here. I can't imagine how beautiful the stars must be at night, or during the sunrise or sunset. Oh, by the way, we did some upgrade to the Willys, so let me show you. First, we finally changed the fenders. We're currently waiting for the inner fenders. We'll post another videos on that when we receive them. And we did not switch to hybrid. This is actually where the air chuck goes in. Pretty cool, isn't it? Okay, now we have to get to the main objective, which is to fly our drone and get some sick footage. So far it's holding pretty well, so hopefully we can catch some cool footage. As you might have imagined, it was way too windy to fly a drone that day. We don't have the best drone either, so it just wouldn't stay where we wanted it to. We were just unable to control it. So here's the only footage we could get. My initial idea was to draw something on the sand, and that's why I brought the umbrella, but the ground was way too hard. Then I opened the umbrella and it immediately got broken by the wind. So yeah, nothing went my way that day. Wah wah. The drone is off. This is just by pure wind. That's how windy it is here. So yeah, since the drone didn't work, we just went back to driving fast. How was it? How is it? We need to come back here during the sunset or sunrise, I think. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. We would try to post videos as often as possible. So please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next trail.